Hello students, today we are going to start Standard 5th, Subject Maths, Chapter number 12, Problem Set 50. The length of the side of each square is given below, find its area. So 12 meter the area they have given you and you have to find the area of square. So as you know students, the area of square, the formula is side into side. So we will use this 12 meter over here, side multiply by side, that means 12 multiply by 12. So you will get 144 square meter. Area is there, that's why we have written square meter. Or while they give perimeter, at that time you write only meter, but you have to remember when area is there you have to put square meter. Now 6 centimeter is there. So again you will use the same formula, area of square equal to side multiply by side, that is 6 multiply by 6 will be 36 square centimeter. Same way 25 meter, area of square, side multiply by side, that is 25 multiply by 25, it will be 625 square meter. Same way area of square, again side into side, 18 centimeter is given, so 18 multiply by 18, answer will be 324 square centimeter. So here we complete question 1. Now let's see question 2. In your textbook page number 74 students, the cost of 1 square meter of a plot of land is 900 rupees. Find the total cost of the plot of land, that is 25 meter and 20 meter broad. So as you know students, first of all we have to find the area of rectangle. That means they have given you the length. That means this one long 25 and broad, that is 20 meter, that will be breadth. So in this, first of all we will find the area of rectangle, and after that we have to see the cost that they have given you 900. So let's find out area of rectangular plot, that means length into breadth. 25 multiply by 20, answer will be 500 square meter. Cost of the plot of land equal to area of plot multiply by rate. So area just now we get, that is 500 multiply by rate, in textbook they have given you, that is 900. So 500 multiply by 900, you will get answer 4,50,000 rupees. Same way we will see the third question. The side of the square is 4 centimeter. The length of the rectangle is 8 centimeter and its width is 2 centimeter. Find the perimeter and area of both figure. So now in this you have to find the perimeter also and area also of square and of rectangle. So of square you will use perimeter of square, and after that you will use area of square. Same way rectangle you will use area or perimeter of rectangle, and after that area of rectangle. So let's solve students. So here they have given you the square value and rectangle length and breadth value. So let's find out. Perimeter of square, that is 4 multiply by side. So 4 multiply by 4 you will write, because side is 4. One side they are given, that is 4. So that will give you 16 centimeter. Now same way we will find the area. Area of square will be side multiply by side. So they have already given you 4 centimeter. So 4 multiply by 4, that will give you 16 square centimeter. Area is there, that's why we have written square centimeter. Remember this thing. Perimeter of rectangle, 2 multiply by length plus 2 multiply by breadth. As they have given you the length and the breadth, so you have to use and apply the formula and use the values. So 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. So 16 plus 4, 20 centimeter. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Now we have to find the area of rectangle. So the formula is length into breadth. So length is 8 and breadth is 2. 8 2s are 16 square centimeter. Area is there, that's why square centimeter. Now let's see the fourth sum. What will be the labor cost of laying the floor of an assembly hall that is 6 meter long and 12 meter width? If the cost of laying one square meter is 80 rupees. So in this labor cost laying the floor, that means the cost of labor which apply the tiles on the floor of assembly hall. So the length is 16 meter long and breadth is 12 meter width, that means breadth, and this is height. So 1 square meter is rupees 80. So first of all we will write the rectangular formula, and after that we will see the cost. So let's proceed, students. See, area of rectangular floor, length into breadth. So 16 multiplied by 12, 192 square centimeter. Now we will see the cost of laying the 1 square meter is 80 rupees. Same way, hence the cost of the laying 190 rupees square meter, 190 multiplied by 80, you will get 15,360 rupees. So in this way you have to see fourth question. Now fifth question. The picture alongside shown some square. Find out how many squares with the same measure will fit in the empty space in the figure. So this figure is given to you. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3 in this side, and in that side 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square is there, and here 1 square. So let's find out. So first of all we will see the length of the empty space. Empty space is 1, students, and length will be, so this is the length, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 minus 1 we will do, that will give you 300 centimeter. Same way, breadth of empty space, that is 1, 2, 3. Breadth is there. 3 minus 1, it will give you 2 centimeter. So square in empty space equal to length into breadth. So length into breadth, length is, as you know student, this is length, that is 3 multiplied by 2, we get length, and this is breadth. 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6 square centimeter. So therefore 6 square will fit in the empty space in the figure. Now question number 6. Divide the figure given alongside into 4 parts in such a way that the area and shape of each part is the same. Color the part with different colors. So you just have to divide. Normal picture is given to you, that is the total square in the figure you have to count first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 square is there in figure, so you will write here the total square in the figure are 12. So dividing into 4 parts. In question they told you have to divide with 4 parts. So each part will be 3 squares. So how you will see? You will get 3. So in this, first we will divide 4 divided by 12. So 4 3s are 12, as I have done here. So that's why I have written here have 3 squares. So 3 squares you have to color it. So I have used the shaded thing. So you can color, students, 1, 2, 3. In this you can put red color, or 1, 2, 3 you can put yellow. In this way you can put. So I have shaded 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this way you have to color it. So here we complete the chapter. Thank you, students.